Well, hi everybody and welcome back. Today we're going to be saying some cucumber and it's called market malt. And basically it's sort of like near the end of the time you can sort of sow it indoors, but you can sow it outdoors end of this month and into July as well. So we'll see how it goes. I say you only get 20 seeds in a packet, which isn't very many really. See, there's loads of seeds in the cucumbers as well. But we'll see. I'm only using a little tray today. There's only 20 seeds, I think this one's about 26, 21, so we'll fill it up. That's it, packet's empty, that's all you get. It's supposed to be an outdoor trailing variety, this one. I can't say I've grown this one before, but I have had success with growing cucumbers outside before, they're not bad. Occasionally you get a bitter one, but that's obviously because you get male and female varieties of cucumbers, and the males tend to be bitter tasting, whereas the female ones are fine. So I'll obviously pop these on once they come through, but this is just gets going off to a good start really. I mean, germination it says well 10 to 12 days, but I expect in this sort of weather they'll be up within 6 or 7. I would really put one in that one. So there's one in that one. So I might have 2 come out of one of those. So everything's really going on down the old allotment now, leaps and bounds, so to speak. I've got some chard planted now, that's good. I've still got some carrots to plant. It's a little bit late on them I think really, but that's not too bad. I mean, we're only sort of really into the start of June, aren't we? And you can't do anything till the end of May, so I think we're doing okay. And the weather's not been quite fortunate to us really, I'd say. Seems a little bit lumpy, this compost, for some reason. Nearly there. Well, that's the 20, which means I must have put 2 in either that one or that one. Okay, there's only one in that one. There's only one in that one. Maybe I was short-changed by one. Anyway, there we go. Cucumber, market more. Bit of water. I like to give them a really good soaking to start with, and obviously don't forget the label. there we go. I'll just pop that down now by the window. So I'll have a little bit of light and we'll carry on doing what we're doing. Oh, you can see I finished parting the rest of the sweet peppers while you was not here. So that's all doing well. See you in the next one.